Do you know what's worse than doing your own dental work? Handling probate without professional help. It sounds like a way to save money, I know, until it isn't. Spoiler alert, it could cost you thousands, and not just in money. We're talking time, stress, and some courtroom drama you did not sign up for. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what traps to avoid and how to protect your loved one's estate the smart way. Okay, I get it. You're resourceful. You fixed your garbage disposal one time just by watching a YouTube video, and you maybe rebuilt a fence with some duct tape and determination. Hey, much respect. So when you're suddenly named the executor of an estate, you think, how hard can probate be? You hop online, you download the DE 111 form, and off you go into the legal jungle, machete in hand. But what you don't see coming is the tiger behind the form. Let's break it down. Here are just a few of the costs that sneak up on unexpected DIY probate filers like a ninja in court shoes. First, court filing errors. Miss a box, use blue ink instead of black, boom, rejected. That's a 4-week delay and possibly another $465 in filing fees. Improper notices. You didn't publish the notice of petition to administer the estate properly. And yeah, now you're getting sued by a cousin that you haven't talked to since Thanksgiving in 2007. Bond waivers. You thought you waived the bond. The court says otherwise. Now you're on the hook for a few $1,000s up front that you weren't expecting. Missed deadlines. There are strict filing timelines, and the court doesn't care if you were just busy. You can get fined, or worse, removed as the administrator or the executor. Yes, removed. Tax mistakes. Miscalculating estate taxes or not properly valuing the estate. You could be costing the estate tens of thousands of dollars. And who gets blamed? You guessed it, you do. And here's the kicker. These mistakes don't just hurt the estate. They hurt the family, your family. Let's not forget the biggest hidden cost. You. The late night Googling, the I think I did this right panic that sets in, the family asking, so when's the house going to sell? So when's the house going to sell? Every single day. This process can drag out 9 to 12 months or more if you make mistakes and mess up. And listen, I've seen it firsthand. DIY probate can absolutely destroy family relationships. So why put yourself through that when there are professionals who do this every day? Here's the good news. Probate doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right help, either an attorney, which I'm not an attorney, or some solid pro-per coaching and a probate savvy real estate agent, hey, that's me. You can protect the estate's value, avoid those costly mistakes, and actually sleep good at night. My clients, they don't waste time or money. They lean on my 20 years of probate real estate experience and utilize my vast network of probate legal professionals. Everything from attorneys, fiduciaries, paralegals, you name it. We make the complicated simple, and we do it with compassion, clarity, and speed. So, how much does DIY probate really cost the average family? In my experience, it could be anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000 in lost value, penalties, in missed opportunities and delays. And if the real estate isn't handled properly, that number climbs fast, especially in California's market. Crazy, right? If you're thinking of filing probate yourself, stop. There's a smarter, easier way. Download my free probate real estate resource guide and schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me, and let's just talk through it. No pressure, no sales pitch, just the clarity you're looking for and that peace of mind. Because DIY probate is like trying to do surgery with a butter knife. Sure, It's possible, but why would you? If this video helped you today, help out this channel. It really does help if you hit the like button, if you subscribe. Every week I'm releasing probate, real estate related videos, and you should share these videos with your family to keep everybody on the same page. But for now, I just want to say thank you for watching. I'm DiGrazia, and I hope to see you on the next one.